Hi there, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking planners. I'm going to be moving into a new planner for the autumn. Don't you just love this colour? It's a Simple Stories planner, an A5 that I've had for ages, and the Lollipop Planner kits have had a little bit of a revamp. I will link up that video for you explaining why and what's happening and all that kind of thing, but they are now a planner add-on kit. I'm really excited. They work so well with the main kits, and today I'm going to be making a dashboard to go into my planner. I'm also just going to pretty it up and just make it look perfect for autumn. I really hope that you enjoy this video. Let me know if you are a planner as well and what size planner you like. Thank you so much for watching today. So this is my plain planner with my Lollipop planner pages in. I've got all my diary pages, my planner pages, and then I've got notes, and I've got my weekly plans. These are quite handy just for like jotting things down, shopping lists, that kind of thing. And I use these pages for my meal planning and my cleaning schedule. Today I want to make a dashboard for my planner though, just to make it clear that this is October. I am going to be using parts of the September main Lollipop Box Club kit. I've taken the October A5 planner. This comes in the kit. It's already on really thick sturdy card. It's A5 size, so that's perfect. It is also available as a download, which I will link up below for you. And if you are a subscriber to the kits, you get these for free. And then on the back, I'm going to be using this one. I thought this one, this month, I've made this one myself, would be really good for popping in like birthdays, any special like anniversaries, or anything I need to remember on the back. I'm going to stick those two together. Right, so this is the October side and this is the other side. And I'm going to be using my A5. Oh, I wonder if this actually, that feels a little bit tight. I'm not going to risk that. I'm going to use this as a template, and I think I'm going to hold it this way. It just felt a little bit too tight with the other punch, and I didn't want to start it and then actually ruin it. There we go. This feels really nice and sturdy. It's a nice little dashboard that actually in itself. So that's October, like that. And then I can make my notes there as well. I'm really pleased with that. I love the colours. Are you an autumn person as well? What's your favourite season? Right, I'm now going to make a pocket dashboard. Now for my pocket dashboard, I'm going to be using this cardstock here and this one here for the back. But first of all, I'm going to make a little line under there. In this month's kit, you get a really cute notebook. So I thought it would be really fun to have it on the front there. So let's, just using a craft knife. I'm so rubbish at doing straight lines. I never hold things tight enough. That's better. And let's just check that that can slide down. Perfect. And then I'm just going to add tape to the back, but not using the center. And then I can stick my lovely orange card over the top. This also really reinforces it nicely. There we go. I've got a little bit of a white line, so I'm just going to give that a trim. I'm really happy with that. That can go on here. I've actually just had another idea. There, I'm really pleased with that. That's really cute. I'm actually going to stick this to the front. I'm going to grab a clip, a binder clip, and hold that to the front. I really like that idea. That to me feels really practical, and I'm all about practical planning. So I'm grabbing a big chunky binder clip. This isn't part of the kit, it's just one of my own. And I didn't actually need to add that, but obviously if I'd have added it as a dashboard, which you can, you can do that. But again, these notepads you can use for shopping lists. You can do them, add them for just your weekly schedule, bits and pieces you've got planned with the kids. They're just so flexible. I really like them. And they look so nice for the autumn as well. I've just popped the stickers at the back from the Planner Addon Kit. And you get this cute clip with the Planner add-on as well. So let's pop this in there. That's so sweet. Actually, do you know, I'm going to add this to my first page, I think. There we go. And if you get both, you will also get this one, which I will pop behind the following week. Anybody else a big fan of planner clips? They're just so cute, aren't they? I love them. I love it when my planner's all full with cutesy things. And then I've got all the cute die cuts as well. These come with the September kit. That's so cute. Look, I love little tab tops like that. Where else can we put these? I like the idea of hanging that over the edge. I might find something to do that with. I've added the little peg from the kit instead. You could even punch a hole in this Home and Happy and punch it through here, or add a little chain to it. That would look really sweet. And there we go. I think I'm done. That is my October setup in my new planner, my old new planner. And the die cuts are so sweet. Really, really love them. I just need to find a sweet pen to go in the side. And then I'm done, all ready to set up for October. I really hope that you've enjoyed that video today. It's so much fun making things for your planners, and I'm thinking of making this a monthly schedule actually, and doing something for my planner every single month. I've kind of let the planners slide a little bit, and I've become very, very basic with my planning, and at the end of the day I really enjoy it too, and so I might get a bit more creative with my planners. Let me know if that's something you would like to see more of. Are you a creative planner as well? Do you like to decorate your planners, make them fun, make them pretty? I really want to start doing more of that, so please let me know if that appeals to you as well, and let me know, how's your planning going at the moment? What are you using? Do you need to change things? Let me know how it's going. I am really, really happy with how I've got my planners set up at the moment. Everything is functioning so well. I did a little chat about it recently, the types of planners I'm using, what I'm using, so I will link up that video for you below. I will also link up the kit below so you can take a look at both kits, the Planner add-on and the September kit as well. They're both available to buy. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please do share it with anyone that you think would also enjoy it, and it also really, really helps my channel out when you do that, so I really, really appreciate that. Please give me a thumbs up if you are a planner as well, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't already. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye!